Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be testing out I was gonna say the newest, but it's not the newest collection from Colourpop. I think they released a collection or two after. But what I'm talking about is the Hocus Pocus 2 collection. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas, besties. So in today's video, I am going to be, creating a look with the Hocus Pocus 2 collection. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. The movie came out already and I don't know what to think of it. I mean, I think it's pretty good, but it definitely doesn't top off the first movie, in my opinion. So, but anyways, this is the eyeshadow palette from Colourpop times Hocus Pocus 2. It has the 3 witches in the front, and then in the back it has all the names of the eyeshadows, and then it has the ingredients at the bottom. Very pretty. I really enjoy their first collection with Hocus Pocus. But yeah, this is actually really pretty. The packaging, very reflective and bright. I love the green, the neon green everywhere else. It's so pretty. And again, they have the names on the back, which is kind of similar to the outer packaging. And this is what it has. A plastic, and this is what the inside looks like. It has a picture of the Sanderson sisters on the top, and then these are all the eyeshadows in the palette, which I think this color story most definitely fits the movie, just because the movie was, I don't want to spoil the movie in case you haven't watched it, but it most definitely, I feel like it fits the movie. But yeah, why don't we just jump in? So I already moisturized my face. I also did my eyebrows with Nothing New. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to outline my eyebrows, and then I use the dual powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills to fill them in. And I used both in the shade Ebony. And then I carved out my eyebrow and primed my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then, of course, I lightly set that with my translucent powder, because I was looking at the palette, and it doesn't have like a bone color, white color shade in here for me to go in and set my lids. So, but that's okay. I used my translucent powder as always. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be doing, but I do want to use this green, the green and the purple for sure. I've been so into of course, purples, but the green. I think the green with the purple is gonna make a nice pop. So yeah, let me stop jabbering and just get into the palette. Alrighty, so let's see. I'm going to grab my Sedona Lace EB09 brush, which is just a blending brush. Not a blending brush, but it's a more tapered blending brush. And I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to go into the color Observe, which is this purple right here. And I'm going to take that in this outer part of the crease. Now let me grab a mirror because this one doesn't have one. So like I said, I'm going to get the color Observe and put it in this outer part of the crease, like so. I'm just gonna stamp the color first to get the intensity that I want, and then I'll lightly blend it up. For now, that's gonna work. Now I'm gonna grab another taper blending brush. This is from Morphe. This is the M433 brush. Again, it's just like the other brush, but from Morphe. And I'm going to go into the color, I'm gonna try Cursed, which is this like neon green over here. It seems to have silver glitter in there. I'm not sure, but let's see how my brush picks it up. Okay, so it picks it up. So I'm gonna take that color and put it in the inner part right here. So that shade, I think I'm gonna have to build up. That's pretty. I'm gonna need a little bit more dimension using that color. So I'm taking that color like halfway to the lid. Yeah. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab Night of Sin, which is this green color right here, and I'm gonna turn over my brush and I'm gonna use that color right here just on the lid. I'm not trying to bring it up too much, but like so. That's better. And now I'm gonna turn over my brush, and with that like neon color, I'm just gonna blend it out, or blend out the edges. Alright, now I'm gonna go into the purple and I'm going to pat a little bit more to intensify. And of course, blend it out. That's a pretty dark color. I think I'm gonna grab a bullet brush and pick up Night of Sins, which is the emerald green. And I'm going to get in these little corners just because it's tiny, it's precise, and I don't want to take it too far up in the crease either. Alright, now I'm going to go into that Cursed color, which is a light green. And I'm just going to lightly blend these edges out right here. So I am getting a little bit of follow with this color, but that's why we do the face first. At least me, this is why I do my face first, because just in case there is fallout, you know, it's okay. I could just wipe it off. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with glitter glue. I always go in with glitter glue to apply my shimmers. So I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Labs IntensifEYES Artistry wand. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to apply it all over, not all over, in this middle part where we don't have any eyeshadow. And then we're going to go in with a few shimmers just to try them out and keep the look fun. But alright, so now we are going to go into, and I'm going to grab a really small precise brush. So I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe x Mickey and Friends MM1. It's a really tiny shader brush, and I really love this for precise work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this Wicked Ways, this shimmery purple, and I'm going to apply it to this part right here to blend out the edges of the purple. And then I'm gonna excuse me, then I'm gonna turn around the same brush and I'm gonna go into this green color, which is called Brew Another Batch, and I'm gonna use this green to blend out the edges of the green. And then for the center, I think I'm gonna go into 17th Century, so just to make it like pop. So again, I'm gonna grab that purple It's called Wicked Ways. And I'm going to apply it to this part right here, like so. I'm even taking it up into the crease. Now I'm going to turn over my brush and I'm going to go into the color Brew Another Batch, which is that green color. And I'm going to do the same. Apply it right here into the green to blend it out. And we're going to take it all the way up onto the crease, like so. That's such a pretty green, very pretty. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to clean that little brush. I'm going to use my mini color switch. This is the Sephora mini color switch. And I'm just going to swirl my brush in there to remove those two shimmers. And I'm going to go into the color 17th Century, which is this color right here. And I'm going to apply it all over the center. Not all over. I should stop saying that. But I'm just going to apply it in the center right here where we have nothing. And more so blending it into the green and of course the purple. Just so all those three colors blend out nicely together. I'm going over the green as well. And the purple. That's a really pretty shimmer. Like, look at that. That's really pretty. I'm going to go into that purple. Okay. Clean my brush and go into the green. Very pretty. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay. And now I'm going to go into the dark purple eyeshadow, which is Observe. And with no additional product, I'm just going to blend this out right here. I do think I'm going to grab a blending brush just to blend out the edges. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to grab the Morphe times Lucky Charms LC2. It's a blending brush, and I'm going to grab the color Havoc, which is this color right here. And I'm going to use this color to blend the purple out a little bit more because we don't want harsh lines. So right above, right here, we're going to use that color to blend out the purple. So like so, you see that? Very nice and seamless. Beautiful. Now if you feel like you lost a little bit of color, you can just, you know, stamp your color a little bit more and then go in with that other blending brush to blend it out. So as you can see. Now I'm going to grab that blending brush and I'm just going to go over all these edges right here. Not adding any color, but just blending the edges out. And this is what the color, so this is what it looks like. This is the end result. Now I'm going to do this eye off camera just because it's a lot of detailed work and I don't want to bore you with the same thing because it takes a long time. So what I'm going to do is, again, jump off camera, do this look, and then I'll show you what it looks like before, I guess, I go in and, you know, finish my face and all of that. So hang tight. Alrighty, so this is the finished look, semi, for the eyes, but this is what it looks like. It's gonna look so much better when I do my face, of course. And yeah, I'm gonna see what kind of like funky lashes I have in my collection, because I think this look it's kind of funky, but it's playful, it's nice, I love it. But yeah, I'm going to jump off camera, do my face, and then I'll come back to show you the final result. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. And if you see a little bit of white, my lashes are still drying, but after your lashes dry, then you go in with a black eyeliner to cover that up. But I'm just so excited and I want to show you. So yeah, this is basically the entire eye look. I kept it neutral on the face. Like in the blush and the lips, just because we have a lot of color and I don't want to take away from the eyes. But yeah, I really enjoy this palette. I know I only used a few shades, but the glittery shades, they're popping, okay? And there's so many fun looks that you can create for Halloween. Like, I really enjoy this palette. I have a few other looks that I want to do, including the yellow, not the yellow, sorry, the orange, and the black with the brown. Like, there's so many looks that I want to try out. But yeah, this is fun. I really like this a lot, actually. I love the look with the purple and the green. Like, I think these colors look really nice together. So yeah, this was really fun. And if you didn't notice, I'm wearing my my Halloween PJs. So every year I always get matching PJs for me and the kids, and yeah, we love it. I love it. I got this one from Old Navy, and they have other designs that you can, you know, obviously choose from, but I went with this one and I really like it. They're so comfy. So yeah, it's really fun. And of course I wore it because I was gonna do some type of a funky Halloween look. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's eye look. Again, makeup is fun, you know. Take out any palette that you like, play with some colors. You don't have to go with these two colors. You can most definitely swap them out for other colors, but yeah, you know, play with makeup. Makeup is fun. But yeah, it was really fun, you know, creating this look. It was fun filming it. So I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.